Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Happy New Year. It's the first day of the year 2023. We are so grateful to God Almighty who has kept us alive. We are cooking the New Year food. I'm making pepper soup, ukodo with chicken and yam. That's ukodo is yam. Look here, that's okay. It's okay, I'll put some. Ukodo is yam and yam pepper soup cooked in one pot. One pot yam pepper soup, okay, with chicken, okay? So that's what we're having for breakfast this New Year morning.
Morning! Happy New Year!
Hey.
We are taking over this country.
Which country?
Nigeria for Jagaban.
This is a campaign.
Hello, viewers. I am so excited. I cannot wait for Tinubu to be next president of this country. I love you. Look at, come on, Sha.
See, this is a campaign video.
You can say Jagaban. Jagaban.
Obedience.
Never, not in this house. Jagaban. Look at, let's go. The eyes have it. Say Jagaban.
Obedience. Me and Bruno
You say
obedience.
what?
Yes, me and my children obedience.
Jagaban. Jagaban. Let's go, Jaggy.
Hey guys, this is not a campaign video. My husband is just excited. He's happy this morning because it's New Year. This one he agreed to come say hello this morning. It's gonna be a good year. Probably he's gonna show more of his face. Look at our soup. Our ukodo is ready. Hey guys, it's still morning. Good morning. How are you doing? We just finished eating the pepper soup. I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking. I want to cook rice. I want to make fried rice, and I'm alone with the children. I'm alone with Brume and Rikere, and we are all in the kitchen cooking. Rikere,
Yes, mom.
just stay here. Stay this way, okay? Don't go to the other side.
No.
Stay this way. Come here. Come here. Stay here. Play with Brume, okay?
Yes, mommy.
So we are all in the kitchen cooking rice. I just finished I finished cleaning the chicken early in the morning. I've seasoned the chicken, it's in the fridge, and then I'm cleaning the vegetables to make the fried rice.
Mommy.
My husband has
Mommy,
gone
my
out.
back is itchy. My back is itchy.
See, I did cook, say back is scratching.
My back is itchy.
Your back is itching.
Yes.
Turn around.
Mom.
See, so many distractions. Sometimes I wonder how some people, they live their life as if they have a perfect life, like they don't go through stress, or maybe it's what they are showing us. Actually, the next thing he will tell me, mommy, I want to do this, or Brume will start crying.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm not finished your carrots.
No, I'm actually peeling the carrots. Okay, I'm peeling the carrots.
Mommy,
Yes.
free the carrots.
Okay.
Monk, follow the carrots.
Okay.
Give it back to me.
I have to
To
be as fast as possible with this cooking.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. New Doris Etito.
That's mommy's name. What is your name?
My name is Fatty.
Your name is not Fatty. My sister's daughter usually teases him that he's fat. That's Rikere is fat, that is chubby.
My name
Call
is
him Fatty. A chubby person. If you call yourself Fatty again, I'll flog you.
My name is Fatty.
I'll flog you. Your name is not Fatty.
I'm Fatty.
Your name is not Fatty. Your name is Ogene Rukere.
Don't worry, Fatty.
Valerie.
Fatty.